watching the GSAT Rider. Welcome to my channel. So guys, today's topic is something that's hot on every rider's name when they buy a new bike. It's about PPF and ceramic. Let's get started. So what you're seeing here is my BMW G310 GS bike. I bought this last October 2020 and I had got PPF done in the first week of November 2020. I was referred to a place in Bangalore by a friend. So I went to them and they recommended me to put hydrophobic self-healing PPF. So I went for that, but the results were not to my expectation. I'll show you what's gone wrong. So first thing is bubbles, right? It's been almost a year and you can still see this bubble here, right here. If you see the scratches here, it's a self-healing PPF, but you can still see the scratches on the tank. All the way there are horizontal scratches from the tank from here to here. So because of this, I was not very impressed. They asked me to leave the bike there for another 2-3 days, which I did not. I did not want to travel back so far and leave my bike for another 2-3 days for a bad job done. These guys get their laborers on contract, and because they get it on contract, these laborers do work in the night. Whole day your bike is just sitting there doing nothing, and it was not the kind of job I expected. So based on that, when I got my Africa Twin, I did more research on the web. I saw some YouTube videos and I'll show you what I did with my Africa Twin for this. So I chose to go with a vendor called Autotriz. I'll show some pictures when we handed over the bike to Autotriz for doing the PPF and ceramic treatment. The accessories like the protection and luggage systems were not fixed before this intentionally, and we also ended up removing the sari guard. I opted for the Steck USA hydrophobic self-healing PPF film, which comes with a 5-year warranty for the tank, side painted parts and headlight and the windshield. And then we went for the nano ceramic package for all the other parts like glass, plastics, metal, alloys, leather, rubber, etc. It takes 2 days for the whole process to complete. The first day they finish PPF and they start with ceramic coating the second day. Over the 2 nights that the bike was with Autotriz, Anshuman did share the progress of the work over WhatsApp. He shared the photos when the ceramic and the PPF was done. We also had video calls where he showed the progress of the work around the bike. So let's go ahead to the delivery video at Autotriz, followed by some explanation of the process by Anshuman and the setup at Autotriz. Hi guys, I am at Autotriz HRBR Layout Bangalore with my new Africa Twin here, and we've got PPF done on the tank. You can see the finish is actually better than the original bike. PPF done on this, PPF done on all the painted parts basically, and rest of the bike's finish is all ceramic, including the rims, this thing, the light, the engine, the exhausts, the alloys here. The bike is looking outstanding. It's looking better than the actual showroom finishing that I had got. Really well done by Team Autotriz. I was dealing with Anshuman. I had seen one of the YouTube video recommendations where a Blue Biker had updated his Africa Twin, which he had bought, and then I saw some other reviews, so I came to them and I think they have done a phenomenal job. पूरा टैंक का इतना बेंड्स है, फिर भी उन्होंने कहीं पे भी कट करना नहीं पड़ा उनको. You can see the finishing here also. You can see the finishing of the handlebars. Really well done. So I think I will call Anshuman. कहाँ पे है? He's not here. So I'll call Anshuman and let's get an idea, because I think this is the first 2021 model which got done here, and some more will come. So this is the facility. They have nano coatings, they have paint detailing, they have auto detailing. Really good stuff.
So all treatments are from Autotrees only, whether it is about auto detailing or paint detailing.
Okay.
We have our own materials which obviously gets imported from Germany.
Okay.
The core of our products are our own range of products which is possible and applicable for paint, alloys, chrome, metal, leather seats, plastics. You can actually feel the difference, see the difference and experience it. Now it is just for you, it is for locking the texture, locking the paint for next 12 months, and on top of it, it is hydrophobic. So once you are experiencing water, it is going to repel it.
पानी आएगा तो निकल जाएगा.
Yes, yes. Same way the texture is here because there is a leather coating, leather application on the seat. Again, it is going to retain the texture and suppleness of the material.
Okay.
Here, all metal parts will either have a metal coating or alloy finish coating. Again, this is going to retain the texture and finish for next 12 months. It is again going to repel the water. Okay. So every application is not just about protection, it is about performance. Same
पूरा
way,
जो engine और metal parts पूरे चमक रहे, like they are actually really glowing, and the texture itself has become really smooth after the application. Even the plastics have become good. So I think the bike is looking way better than what I got the delivery for.
yeah, so single tank application for PPF is a first from our side. We keep improving ourselves. Now this is a single sheet which was 10 by 10 sheet which we have applied from left to right, top to bottom.
यहाँ पे जितने hinges है आप देख रहे हैं, इधर पे जैसे 1, 2, 3, 4 आ रहे हैं. तो initially we were not even sure कि एक piece में कर पाएंगे.
Yes, yes, yes.
मगर they've done a wonderful job actually to get this done so nicely. So
Same way, all paint, whether it is about fairing, short fairings, area around the tail lamp, it's a single application running from here.
right.
Obviously, natural cuts we have to take, and this windshield also is a single application done by our team. Akhtar, he is our main applicator on the PPF side.
ये अख्तर है, इन्होंने एक्चुअली इनका मेन टेक्निकली मेजरमेंट्स लेके एप्लीकेशन करने का काम इन्होंने किया है. तो अख्तर बहुत सही काम किया है. थैंक यू फॉर द बाइक.
कि कोशिश किया था बहुत सही काम करने के लिए, और इसमें फुल ही डला है, लेकिन थोड़ा बड़ा शीट लगा हुआ था, मतलब बड़ा शीट से फुल ही लगा हुआ है.
अच्छा, तो ये पहली अफ्रीका टूर है 2021 की, और ये टैंक विंग पूरा शेप बदला था. तो इन्होंने पहले सोचा था कर पाएंगे या नहीं, मगर दे कुड एक्चुअली डू इट वेरी वेल. फिनिशिंग बहुत अच्छा आया है. तो थैंक यू सो मच अख्तर भाई.
थैंक यू सर.
ऐसे ही चमकाते रहो गाड़ियाँ, और आएंगी आपके पास.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. थैंक्स अंशुमन.
Always welcome, sir.
Yeah.
All the best.
I think I'm inspired to keep coming for all my vehicles here.
Anytime, sir. We are always here. We are
Thank
always
you.
open.
Thank you so much. So 2 weeks are over that I got my bike PPF and ceramic done at Autotrees. So after 2 weeks there is a checkup whether there are any films are coming out.
मेरा नाम अख्तर है. 2 वीक्स पहले गाड़ी में काम किया था, तो अभी फिर रिटर्न हम लोग चेकअप के लिए लेके आया था, तो उसमें चेक किया है.
तो ये टैंक का PPF जहाँ जहाँ PPF डाले हुए हैं वो पूरा चेक किया है कि कहीं निकल रहा तो नहीं है, पील तो नहीं हो रहा है, बबल्स तो नहीं आ रहे. और फीडबैक उनका अच्छा रहा है, कुछ निकला नहीं है अपने आप. और ये जो पैनियर रैक्स लगाए थे SW मोटेक के, और इंजन गार्ड लगाया हुआ है यहाँ पे, उसको वापस उन्होंने, इस पर सिरामिक नहीं लगा था क्योंकि लगे ही नहीं थे पहले, उस पर सिरामिक वापस लगा दिया है कोटिंग. ये विंडशील्ड पे लगा था. फिनिशिंग अभी भी बहुत अच्छा है. और ये देखो ऐसे फिनिश आ रहा है. The bike is still looking pretty good. So I would recommend a lot of people coming to this place because they have done a good job.